Greetings and welcome back to my channel. Introducing the Super Nator. Now I'm taking all the ideas I learned from the first one and implementing on this one. The first one being I did a cleaner deinstall the front grill, and then these I offset them because they wouldn't fit in there right on top of each other, so I put nuts and bolts in there to mount this in there. So I got both of them in there, and I got the rear fan mounted a little bit better. Alright, so and today, this currently has an i5 in it, and then I just bought a i7 3770 for $20. So that's sitting on the bench around here somewhere. And this is going to get replaced with a Rosewill Capstone 550, and that's on the way. I've got some white Kingston Hyper RX 16 gigabyte kit to go in there. I got a Crucial 250 gigabyte it goes as fast. It's like 560 megabytes per second. It goes as fast as this board will go. Here's the kicker. Here's the 5-pin to 4-pin thing you need for the CPU fan, which is going to get replaced with this. But unfortunately, this is only 3-pin. So I went out and I bought a true RGB 90 millimeter fan for that cooler. I'm going to use that cooler, but I'm going to put this fan on there, and then I have a Cool Moon ARGB adapter on the way. So soon you'll see all these parts implemented in here, and should be pretty cool. I like that Cool Moon thing. It lights up. The controller lights up. It's down there, but that might have to move when I put in a GPU. Anyway, look for the next video. This is going to be fun. I'm going to bench it out and see what kind of specs kind of numbers we can get out of it. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Boy.